Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, and I'm in the studio 12 hours a day. And the purpose of doing that is I'm trying to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world when it comes to building a community around investing. Everything you see here is real. This is my real shares, my real positions. I started out at $5,000. I'm live every day, have been for a year and a half, and the task is to build a family that we can all trust each other, share each other's trades. We know exactly what's going on, and build a wonderful family and go from $5,000, which is what I started with, earn money on YouTube, starting from nothing a year and a half ago with no subscribers, and end up with $200,000, which will be my pension live here on the show. That is the challenge. That is the task. Let's get straight into it. Here we are right now. 114 days, hopefully, we'll be at 1 million views. Let's hope so. Hey, be pretty cool, and it should just about be our second birthday if we manage to pull that off. Okay, so got lots of videos coming out this afternoon to try to push that figure up. Okay, let's go into it right now. Here we go. This is our main position now. We're back green again. We had a nice big drop today. Didn't buy anything, however. Virgin Galactic has bounced back. Virgin Orbit has come back a bit. Rivian has bounced back. Tesla has bounced back. Still want to buy it for lower. Lucid has come back a bit. I'm still out of the money by 4.7%. It's rising slowly. Let's see how we do. George Otterty, I will help you in a moment. Just give me a couple of moments to get the show started, and I will help you on Discord. Apple is up today, 0.37. Amazon is recovered again as well today. McDonald's gave us nearly a buy. Nearly a buy. It wasn't that far off. 259, 264 wasn't that far away from me buying it, but wasn't quite the price I wanted. Coca-Cola is just slightly up today. J&J, massive swing there for J&J. Just turned red as I said that. Shouldn't probably say anything. Google also went down today, not quite low enough. Evening everyone, says Crag. Welcome Crag. Microsoft is bouncing up again today. Everything's a V-shape today. Very interesting day. Walmart down, not enough for me to buy yet. Tesco, Next Era Energy down 4%. Still not in the money on this one, but we've got the dividends though coming out. Enphase Energy 8.91%, still down, but had a nice little bounce today. Bitcoin is down 1.39. Tilray is flat right now. I'm up again, 1.77. Not much in it. Robinhood, it's up today, very slightly. Wanted to buy some more, but not yet. SoFi, up to date, up 44%. I'm out of that one. I'm also out of IonQ. Gove Canoe, Ford. We're watching that one. Rio Tinto missed on earnings, of course. That massive dividend is being downgraded. Meta, 173. There we go. That's our positions. What a day! Imagine you were just starting out here. yeah. Imagine if you bought this morning, and then you thought, "Oh my God, everything's gone up again." You'd think it's the worst lesson you can have. Start on the stock market and everything go well. You want everything to go wrong. You learn nothing. It's not how hard you can punch. It's how many punches you can take. That's what it's all about. Anyway, great to have everyone here. The markets are all over the place today. We do really have a very tough day. No question about it. But we're holding on. No logic to this market at all. None whatsoever. I couldn't agree with you at all. I couldn't agree with you more. 22. Very, very difficult. Very difficult. Great opportunities, though, isn't it? Everything went down today for no reason. Just went down and all back up again. I mean, it's like a gift, isn't it, really? It's like a gift. Anyway, let's see who's live in the show. 22, welcome to you. Let's get the things going. Now then, I was very busy in the show this morning. I made 10 videos. That took me all afternoon. I haven't had a break all day. I've been in here since 6 o'clock this morning. It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been a very, very busy day. the 10 videos are ready to go. So they'll be out later on today. 10 videos. Incredible, right? I just never stop working. I'm addicted to the thing. All right. I'm determined to grow the best channel in the world. It's hard. It's hard, but it's what I'm trying to do. 6,528 are subscribers right now. And here we are. Let's see how many we got in the stream right now. We've got 15 watching, 9 likes. We're just kicking it off. So if you just tuned in, please do click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. If we get 100 likes, we'll give a cash prize away. Of course, tomorrow is cash prize giveaway anyway. Every single Friday. All right? Every single Friday. Right, let's go over to my main position now. I haven't had a chance to phone Robinhood, but it looks like 22 was right. I haven't phoned them and got clarification, but it looks like 22 was spot on with that, so we'll find out soon enough. But anyway, here's my position. We're green again. The Roth IRA today is just about turning green again. Overall, we're just down. So what we're saying is, we're saying we're $68 down overall, and we would actually be another $70.50 if we didn't have the match. That's what I'm assuming that means. Anyway, there we go. Okay, and my overall position is that 43,000. I'll be happier when I see 50,000 again. I've put a lot of money in, so I'm buying my own portfolio, but I'm just buying lower and lower and lower all the time. I mean, it's insane the amount of money I've put in now over the last year. It's like 70 grand or something like that. I mean, it's the most money I've ever seen in my life. It's a lot of money for me. It's a lot of money for anybody, isn't it? I mean, but anyway, haven't yet got the benefits from it. It's hard. Just keep going. Even though I've been down now for the longest of times, I just keep going and buying lower and lower and lower and just keep going and staying in and so on. I did lose a lot of money at the beginning, remember. Lost a lot of money because of margin, interest payments, selling at losses. I don't do that anymore now. I don't sell anything for a loss. Unless, well, I haven't done it at all since I rebalanced my portfolio. Not done it once. So it's a completely different portfolio. Will I ever make back the losses I made that first year? It's a lot, isn't it? It's a lot to make back, but all you can do is keep going, right? Okay, we've got an announcement. You just said 22 PCE in the morning. That's, yes, core price index in the morning. Yes. Now, before we carry on, I want to help George Otterty. George Otterty wants some help getting upgraded in Discord. So, George, in YouTube, in the chat, this is what I was telling you earlier. Is this you on the screen? Is this you, George? In the chat on YouTube, just go, is this you? Because someone could pretend to be you. I'm sure it's you, but all you've got to do, George, is say, yes, it is. Okay, so the first thing I do is change your name so you are the same. It's pretty much the same, but we have to do this anyway. So change nickname. We want it to be exactly the same. Jorge, George. We do it exactly the same. The purpose of that is so people recognize who you are and build trust. Very, very important, obviously, on this type of channel. And now we're going to give you the role. And now you've got the role. Here it comes. Roles. Whoops, a daisy. Whoa, stop doing that. Right, roles. Member. There you go. Sorry about the strobing. There you go. You've now got YouTube member. So what that will... Bloody hell, stop doing that. Stop doing that. What is he doing that for? Right, there you go. Member. There you go. You've now got membership. Now, what that means is, George, you can now see all the all the private channels down the outside. All the YouTube members channels, all the private channels, because you are a YouTube member. So you can see the breakfast bar, you can come into the breakfast bar, and all the other ones. Before, you could only see the public channels. You can now see all the channels, including the broadcast lounge at the bottom, so you can call in on the show and be part of it. All right, so there you go. You are now upgraded and done. You are a YouTube member on Discord. All right. When I was saying earlier, come into the chat, that's what I meant. Anyway, nice. All done. Which means, of course, you can now see down on the left-hand side, I'll just mention it quickly again, Moose and Ella's tips. We don't see Moose much these days. He's having problems with his family. Anyway, Ali Tizro's tips. That's where you get the lifetime discount. Ed Nevius's tips. And now we have the Trades of Logic as well. Trades of Logic. This is new. BMW and Rolls-Royce, not Ford. Just saying. Stephen Lewandowski has gone in. He posted a picture of me in Church's account. I love that. It's funny. BIGG, sad, just didn't buy it in time. Flutter edits. Indeed. Hi, Mike, Stephen, how are you? All right, so we're back green again. Now then, we have got it. We're going to finish right on the bell today because I've got 10 videos coming out and they need to come out. So I'm calling all my members. What we're going to have the world premiere. Here is the world premiere, which will come out first. This is our music. So this is our music, and tonight is what is tonight? Tonight is "You're Beautiful" by James Blunt. This is the one. Some of you have not watching it right now. It's so important to help those people in Turkey and Syria. I get nothing out of these videos at all, but it does promote our earthquake fundraiser, and the links are below in the links in the description to the Red Cross. So just watch them, share them. You are helping me, helping others by doing that. I'm doing it for other people, so please help me. There it is. That's the world premiere. It comes up tonight at the closing bell. Now after that, I've made some videos today. I've made 10 short little videos today. And they will come out starting right after the premiere, and you can link to them. You can link to them, so you can actually go from the premiere to our videos tonight, and it would be really cool if everyone joined in and did that with me. All right. One of my Bernard Matthews' best songs. One of Bernard Matthews' best songs. You're beautiful. Oh yeah. The turkeys, beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I got where you're coming from. Bernard Matthews, remember him? Oh, yes. What happened to Bernard Matthews? Remember those turkeys you have at Christmas? Brilliant. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. There was no flight today. I doubt if there'll be a flight now, this afternoon. We never know, do you? Virgin Orbit, we're keeping our eye on it. Rivian. We didn't get a chance to get out of Lucid. We could have made some money. He made a fortune, I'm sure he did. If we'd bought this morning, we were down here, so we could have halved our position, and by now we were down. Yeah, we would have been down. Yeah, we would have actually now been in the money if we'd halved our position this morning. But nevertheless, that's okay. So now what we can do is we've got 4% to go. I wouldn't mind getting my money back out of this. $18 down. I wouldn't mind actually, seriously, just taking my money out. Just forget it. Just forget Lucid and move on. Just put the money back in cash, earn 4% and forget it. 3.82. It's be nice if we can just get it to go up, and then I'll just set a stop trail loss and just take any amount of profit, really. I'm not going to, get a day trade flag. It's a swing trade now. It's the next day, so... more earthquakes. Magnitude 6.5. Earthquake strikes north of Indonesian region. Halmahera. Oh dear. More sad news. Thank you for sharing that, 22. Vision of Bitcoin. Hello, Martin. Hope you're back on Virgin stock and part of the only 641 only shareholder. What is that? Vision, what does that mean? Hello, Martin. Hope you're back on Virgin stock and part of the only 641 only shareholder. And part of the only 641 only share. I've no idea what the 641 only shareholder is. Anybody know what that is? I have no flipping idea. Anyway, We're seeing Lucid pop up. I do own a small position in SPC at the moment. Do expect it to go lower. I've made my money before. I've just got 204 shares. Used to have 2,000, hoping for 4,000, but I've got the Virgin Galactic song coming out at the weekend, Virgin Galactic earnings, and I'm hoping to, the money I make from the single, spend, well, not hope, I will. Everybody who shares the song that I bring out next week for the Virgin Galactic earnings, the money I earn from the video, the money I earn from the song, will all be spent on Virgin Galactic stock. So if you share it and share it and share it and watch it and watch it and watch it, and it earns me $1 million, I will spend $1 million on it. There you go. So if you want to promote the stock on Virgin Galactic, just watch my video for free. Watch it over and over again. Put it on loop. There's only 641 shareholders on that stock. Only 641 shareholders? That can't. How do you know that? How do you have that information? And how can that be true? Virgin Galactic, you're saying there's only 641 shareholders who own Virgin Galactic? How could you possibly know that? That's incredible. If that's true, share the links with us. Share the information where you find that information. I would love to. I would love that information. And how could you? Where is the list? Does anyone trading view? I'd love that. I'd love that. So basically, let me give you the way to do this. Here is the invitation to join if you want to be a verified member, so we can verify all your information. And it's not just about verifying information. You get many perks as a member. But here is the Discord link. Go to Discord. It's free. And you can go into the welcome all and send in a link. There is the Discord link there. I would like to see that information where you are seeing how many people are in the stock. Hello, Martin. Hope you're back on Virgin Stock and part of the only 641 shareholder. I would love to. I can't believe only 641 people own Virgin Galactic. That sounds hard to believe when I think of how many thousands of views I get on the videos. There's only 641, but that's incredible. Anyway, share that on Discord. I've just given you the link. It takes 10 minutes to get through our Discord because of the security. So if you go in there now, I'll go in there and check. Anyway, and 15 big wallets. Is that all? Martin, guess what I bought? Did you buy some J&J when it went down here? Did you get it for 156? Ooh. Or, I mean, what did you get? Let's have a little look. Yes, go on TradingView and you'll find all the information. I do use TradingView, but I've never seen that. Anyway, if any one of my researchers or members, please, could send that information in. What Vision for Bitcoin is saying is that you can see how many people are in the stock. I would like to see that. That would be very interesting for me to see. Anyway, shall we have a quick look at what we are seeing here for Virgin Galactic a minute? And then we'll come back to Eric B. This is our technical analysis. It's a strong buy in the last minute. We are going to add the 15-minute or the day later on tomorrow, hopefully. And on the screen, we'll have the two to compare. But right now, it's a strong buy. 14 buys in the technical analysis for space. There we go. Watching it right now. Good stuff. I doubt very much maybe 640 on the platform. I know. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't sound right at all to me. It doesn't sound right. I would have said there's, if I'm just guessing, if I'm just literally guessing, I would say 1 million plus people are invested in Virgin Galactic. 1 million plus. Because there are many pensions and institutions that are involved with it, which covers millions of investors. So I can't believe only 640 people are invested in Virgin Galactic. I think I would say it would be 1 million plus. Anyway, that's why I've asked for the information and so on. Anyway, I don't think too small, 274 million shares outstanding. It doesn't make any sense to me. But Anyway, short-dated options trade behind Thursday's US stock market choppiness. Thank you, 22. Eric, 4 shares of VU, an average of 360. I am up already. Eric B, what a man. What a man. Look, there we go. Very, very sensible. He's bought himself some... hang on, where is my VU right now? Let me duplicate this channel. What's going on here? Where is my VU? Where's my VU? How do you do? Let's have a look. Let's bring it back in. You've got an average... I recommend VU over SPY, definitely. SPY is the most popular, but remember, bigger traders do a lot more active trading, so they want SPY because it's got a higher liquidity. But if you're not trading like minute by minute on the S&P, why would you? Unless you are a big hedge funder or a professional trader or something like that. Why would you? VU is actually slightly better value from the PE ratio, the cost ratio. So you bought it for 366. Yeah, you bought it down here, didn't you? My average is 358, but I've had it a longer time. But congratulations, nice little dip there. I think that's the way to do it, 4 shares. So you've got a little bit of exposure to it. You've got a nice dividend coming out. You know what, Eric? It's because of you. It's gone up. Those 4 shares have put it up. Largest zero date to expiry date ever, apparently. 22, thank you. Vision, share the link. Vision, share the link over. Or at least, anyway. One of a million plus people. I'm one of the million plus. Hello, Martin in the room. Real Ray is in the house. Real Ray, how are you, Ray? Are you over on TikTok? I'm just checking. Are you one of my members over there on TikTok? I've got some subscribers on TikTok, and they help support. And the 5 subscribers I have right now keep TikTok alive. Without those 5 subscribers, I wouldn't even be on TikTok. So thank you for all of those. Someone just said, the bull run is coming. I got 850,000 in the market right now. The bull market isn't coming for a good few months, so I'm not going to encourage people on that. Anyway, 7.4 million shares trade today so far, said Stephen Lewandowski. Are we talking about SPCE? Let's have a little look. No, that can't be that much. Let's have a little look. 7.5 million. Yes, there you go. You are talking about that. Yeah, there you go. 7.5 million. But that doesn't mean to say there are 7.5 million shareholders, of course. Not each shareholder just has one share each. But anyway. Hello. SO810, how are you? Evening, George Semaine. George Semaine, my VORB from you yesterday. Let's have a little look at it. There it is, been going sideways. Not made me any money, but lowered my average. I bought it on here, didn't I? In the regular brokerage account. Anyway, welcome everybody. We've got just under an hour now to go for our world premiere. Some of you have started to not watch this, and it's so important. It helps those in Turkey and Syria in the earthquakes. You don't have to donate, just watch each video and share it. That's all you got to do. Give it a like and stuff like that. Mohammed said there's a lot of testing today, even for the military. 8 Cobras came out the Virgin Galactic. Is that what it was? Mohammed, go onto Discord and share that information where you got that from. We were tracking a plane that was unidentified yesterday, and I said I think it's quite possibly a military plane, and you're saying a military 8 Cobra came out of the Virgin Galactic hangar. I think that's what you're saying. Anyway, the overall portfolio is turning green right now. Let me go over to it, have a look. Okay, looking better. My Roth IRA is down $70 at the moment. Overall, I'm looking at the overall position, and my value is now 43,000. I'd like to be back up to 50,000 as soon as possible. I want to hit $100,000 this year. That is my aim. I bring in $2,000 a month, of course, and I want to be buying the lowest prices possible, as long as possible. Anyway, so we've got day trade of the day. Of course, it's Friday tomorrow, cash prize giveaway tomorrow, and we hope you'll all take part in the newsletter for tomorrow's cash giveaway. Every Friday we do that. And let's see how we go tomorrow. Today, 3 private planes came out from the Harvey in the last 3 hours, and 8 Cobras went out from a nearby airport. Not Mojave. Oh, okay. All right. I'm going to say I've been watching it all day, and I didn't see that. But yesterday there was an unidentified craft, and we wondered if it was a military plane or VSS Unity being in incognito. Anyway, we don't know right now. So let's bring everybody up to date, and let's run a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. If you are behind in the black now, you can see this is where you can sponsor the channel if you are a YouTube sponsor. Okay. What happened to Mohammed Kahin? Remember him? A few days ago. I'm a gold member and they disappeared. So hard to keep track of everybody. So many people say things and I can never find out what's going on. Anyway. I've discovered ginger ale recently. It's really nice. Mike, he hasn't been here for a while, has he? No. He hasn't. Oh, did anyone see what happened? Oh, no, you wouldn't have seen what happened. The other night, I did one of my midnight shows, and it went out to our friends in China and places like that. And someone came in and said, Peru sent me, and was and was just talking about Bitcoin BSV. Very odd. I didn't even engage in it. I thought I'd just let it go. Anyway, that happened. And then the music, there was a music premiere as well running at midnight. And he came into the music channel and said the same thing. Peru sent me to talk about Bitcoin BSV. And I thought, well, this is the music channel. What's going on here? Anyway, I thought you might find it entertaining to let you know what went on there. Anyway, S&P is doing rather well now, up 0.5%. Virgin Galactic is coming back. Virgin Orbit, bloody hell, I get him I'll get him if he comes in here. Mike, you missed some fun and games this morning. I don't think you were here this morning. I needed you this morning. Blimey, we had a couple of characters in this morning. Project Freedom and another guy getting very upset with me. Oh yeah, it was all going on this morning. But anyway, there we go. Tesla. Lucid, slowly recovering, just generally with the market, I think. 3.78. Let's see if we can take some money from it. I'm very happy to take some money off the table. I don't like the fact they're building up inventory and not selling it. That concerns me. Maybe in the future, it's a great company. I'm not disputing that, but it's got a great car, but that's all it's got is a great car. A company is not made on a product. I wasn't here the whole time. I try. I know you do, Mike. I know you do. Don't worry about that. Apple, strong today. Amazon, we had a great buying opportunity. 93 today. 93. Did anybody pick that up? Amazon this morning. Very good deal. But I'm already fully in. I've got every penny invested at the moment. At the moment, because we're always testing new lows, whenever the money comes in, I buy. I don't just sit around. There are in the bull market, there'll be times to sit around with the cash because everything will be going up and up and up, and you don't chase anything, and you'll be just waiting for dips. But right now, every day's a dip. So the moment any money comes in, I find what's down, and if it's an all-time low, I just spend it all. I mean, it's just all in all the time. We were very close to buying McDonald's this morning, but there we go. Coca-Cola, much better. J&J, we're about to test. We're about to test today's high, which is nice. Let's have a little look here. It's quite good. Look at this. Not far off. We got as far as 36.2. So we're getting close. I think we often get this rally into the close. Everybody noticed and recognised the patterns that we get. Often happens. So we got our world premiere starting very soon in the studio behind me. That's tonight in 45 minutes. Hopefully you'll be there. And we're getting ready for our event at the weekend as well. We've got our single coming out for Virgin Galactic. And we've got the big earnings next week as well. We're very excited about that. Google presenting an opportunity today. Microsoft up 1.55, 1.58. Nice little bounce today. Walmart wanted to go a bit cheaper though. Tesco, we're out of it at the moment. Next Era Energy still out of it. Enphase still down 9%. Bitcoin's down 1.6 today. Tizro back in the money. We were out for a while. Hood had a nice swing. Hood was down 2.25 now, so that's like 3.25 in a day. I got $20 of cash, Mohammed. Congratulations. What are you going to do with it? Keep it earning 4%, or I wouldn't be buying anything now because everything's bounced back. I wouldn't be buying it now. This morning was the opportunity. So maybe hold it for another day. There's always red days. We're guaranteed that. Don't worry about that. Don't think it's all green from here. There's plenty of red days. Don't worry about that. Canoe today is down 3.36. Still, it was down a lot lower. Anyway, there we go. Right, let me check now and have a little quick look how many we got in the stream. 56. 6528. So I expect to see my subscribers go up tonight if I'm lucky, because I've got a lot of 10 videos coming out later on this afternoon after the world premiere. Hopefully you'll binge watch them with me. All right, I'll watch them with you. I'll be there. So hopefully you'll join me for that. Should be interesting. Tomorrow, of course, is our cash prize giveaway. Let me check on the news. Tomorrow, of course, the big highlight tomorrow is core PCE. That's the main thing tomorrow. Let's have a quick look at it so we all understand what's going on tomorrow. This is very, very important for the markets. Let's bring it up so you can see what we're talking about. Mohammed Kahain, here he is. Mr. Lucas, nothing personal. When I became a member, you showed me all love. Now I'm not a member. You tell everyone I'm a bot and a scammer, and that is not really me. That's not right. Mohammed, let me be absolutely clear. Absolutely clear. I have never said that you are a bot or a scammer. What I said was when you were not a member, suddenly in the chat, there were 3 or 4 Mohammed Kahains, all saying contradictory things, all doing different things, it's all the same names. We're only repeating what we see on the screen. We had no idea whatsoever was going on. Everyone needs to understand, you all know who you are. Nobody else knows who you are. We only go on your good faith. And the day that you no longer remember, there were several versions of you all saying different things, and no one knew who the real Mohammed was. And that's why I said, we don't know who you are. There were several Mohammed Kahains with different accounts saying different things, and we have no idea who is who. We don't know. So, with all due respect, we love everybody here, but I don't know at the end of the day, there was 3 or 4 of you coming in different accounts. And also, we don't know who you are because you say every day you're going to be a member. You say it every single day. So we don't know. I could just say nothing. But I'm answering you because every day you say the same thing. And so no one knows. No one knows who you are, you see. I'm being extremely honest and open and fair. There were a few different. Well, I banned them. There we go. Absolutely. I don't know what else to say. I can't control what you say to me, and I can't control, who the different people are coming in. I've got no idea. Anyway, let's talk about this. This is important, right? We've got the core PCE prices in the US. This is tomorrow morning, 7:30. Core PCE prices, which exclude food and energy. This is basically this is a measure of inflation, right? Went up 0.3 month over month in December, compared to 0.2 increase in the prior month. So it went up even more in December. And in line with market estimates, the annual rate, the Federal Reserve's preferred gauge of inflation, there you go, see, fell to 4.4 from 4.7. Good. Marking the slowest increase in 14 months. Meanwhile, the headline index edged up 0.01 last month, the same as November in the 12 months through to December. The index increased 5%, the least since September 2021, and below 5.5 in November. So tomorrow we'll get to see the latest PCE prices, and let's hope for the best, okay? We shall see what happens. Okay, here we go. S&P is going up again. We are now 0.67. This is a nice return. We are nearly at today's high again. We didn't sell anything today. We didn't buy anything either. The only thing we bought is Lucid. The only thing we bought was Lucid, and we're trying to trade out of it. It might take some time. I've got patience. I don't need the money. I'm going to give it some time. But this stock worries me. There's something about this stock that worries me. They were very cagey last night when they were talking about, what's going on with the investment, the Saudi Arabia investment. Very cagey. Didn't want to give any information towards that. Very much about the car is the greatest car in the world, and that's fair enough. It may well be, but they've built up an inventory, and right now they're not selling enough. And the trouble is they're too expensive. And not only that, interest rates are going up. They have talked about the 100,000 that are ordered for the United Arab Emirates, but yet not confirmed. Well, I can't believe it. Mohammed Kahin is a gold member again. Well, I don't know what to say, Mohammed. That's incredible. Thank you so much indeed. We'll have to make certain that you're the only Mohammed Kahin then. So if I can ask my moderators then, please. Mohammed, this is your only account, correct? This is your only account. If we see other accounts come in, Mohammed Kahin, then we need to report them or time them out or whatever. We don't want people pretending to be Mohammed Kahin because we had lots of confusion. This one is legit. All right, this is the real one. So we had no idea. Now we know the real. Welcome back, says Crag. Look at that. Look at the welcome you're getting. Eric B's welcomed you back. 22. How do we know the real one? The real Mo has become a member. A scammer wouldn't become a gold member. That would be absolutely crazy. Anyway, thank you very much, Mohammed, for your support to the channel. It's not about the money. It really isn't. Well, it's how I live, so it's important for me. But more importantly, I want integrity of the show. And, we need to make sure that this is the only Mohammed Kahin in the show because we're getting very, very confused with what's going on. Anyway, I've got a new celebration. I want to share it with you. Are you ready? We got a brand new member in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yay! Yay! I love this one. There you go. Congratulations. Thank you very much indeed. He's a member. And you will notice that he's not a blue badge. He's a green badge because he's been a member before. So his badge history is still there. Awesome stuff. Fantastic. There you go. New member. All right. Awesome. There we go. He's the one with the same YouTube channel he had in the beginning. I watch it all. Ah, so Mike knew. Mike knew. Anyway, I didn't know. That's good. Mike knew. Bought some more Tilray today. Let's have a little look. Welcome back, Project Freedom. Hello, Tom. Tom's got some good. Tom's got some news. Tom, do you want to share your news on the channel with everybody? Tom, do you want to share your news on the channel with everybody today? We'd love to hear it. The Real Mohammed, welcome again from Palm Bay, Florida. Welcome back, Mohammed. He's getting such a warm welcome. It's lovely. Now we know who the real one is. We were so confused before. Anyway, you can show the post from Discord. No, Tom, don't show the post. It's personal. Tell everybody. Tell everybody. Let's not share the post. It's not. Tom's got a very, very strange. Tom's got a very strange way of looking at the news that he's got to share with everybody. I love Tom to bits, but I don't quite understand his angle on this good news. So anyway, it's not taking pictures. No, it's some really wonderful news, and he has a funny way of sharing the news. I never quite understood it, but anyway, he's a friend of mine, and I'm just confused. Anyway, Tom, share the news in the chat. Everybody's eager to hear it. Anyway, can anybody guess what Tom's news is? He's saying share the post. We don't want to share the post. Just tell everybody. You watch, Tom. As soon as you tell everybody, the whole channel is going to blow up. It's going to explode when you tell everybody your news. Flight? No. He's not flying with Virgin Galactic. He's pregnant? No, he's not pregnant. Share the news, Tom. What's going on? Why aren't you sharing the news, Tom? And let's see. Where's he gone? Is he still here? Tom's got the biggest news, and I'm like, what? Why isn't he sharing it? Why isn't he sharing it? He's still here. No, he's still here. Just making sure he's still here. No, he's not pregnant. He's going to Ibiza as a DJ. My wedding is in 134 days. He's getting married. Bloody hell, that was hard work. No, he didn't become a gold member. Tom is getting married. Tom is getting married. And so there you go. Everyone wish Tom congratulations. Absolutely awesome stuff. Congratulations, Tom. There you go. Absolutely fantastic. Really great. There you go. Congratulations, Tom. Everybody, I want everyone to copy and paste. Congratulations to Tom. See what I mean? He's always making it. He's always making it an event in Discord. I don't understand it. Anyway, he's getting married. That's what he's trying to say. So when someone said he's pregnant, I thought I could say I could give it away there. I don't know if his girlfriend's pregnant. I don't know. Maybe his fiance's pregnant. I don't know. I have no idea. Congratulations, Tom. We're all invited to the event. We're all in. Yeah, you've got me doing it now. It's not an event. It's his wedding. We're all invited to the wedding. KK2, congratulations. There you go, Tom. Commiserations. 22's going commiserations. So, Tom, what's your fiance's name? Because you've not told me. I've never found out what her name is. I keep asking. I don't know what her name is. Tom, I should know. I'm Tom's friend. I talk to him most days, but I've never got his. I've never got her name. Tasmin, that's it. Thank you very much. Fantastic, Tasmin. There she go. I think, where's she from, Tom? Tell everybody about it. Is she from Canada? I think it's Canada, isn't it? Or Canada or United States. Where's she from? Anyway, YAMV, tell us what you know. So I'm reading some information here. Mohammed, just said, Mr. Lucas, I have heavy shares on AMV purchased at 95 cents. EV company battery, AMV. I am fully exposed to EV companies. I can't buy any more EVs, I'm afraid. So I'm not going to buy any more EVs. But there you go, a top tip there from one of our gold members, Mohammed Kahin. Now, Mohammed, can I give you the Discord link? Because you are a member now, you can access Discord. You can share links. You can share links of your stock, so we can put it on the screen and all that kind of stuff. Brilliant. N2 Deep reminds me of Three Stooges quote, "Are you married or happy?" I'm married and I'm happy. I don't think it has to be exclusively one or the other. Anyway, 0.63. Virgin Galactic. Oh, we're nearly green. Come on, let's get some money in today. Virgin Orbit. Rivian, we got 15 minutes ago. Let's ring the bell. Congratulations, N2 Deep. It's getting lots of congratulations here this afternoon. And that's all good. Okay. Anyway, let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break, and then we'll be right back with Day Trader of the Day. Only 15 minutes to go. Another one bites the dust, says 22 Flutter Edits. Congratulations, Tom. And yes, we've got her name, that's Tasmin. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Anyway, here we go. Congratulations, Tom. Right back after a quick commercial break. All right. Married for 45 years, only once. Very nice indeed. To Justine. Hello, Justine. She is based in Birmingham, Alabama. Will be here in the UK next week. Fantastic. Brilliant. So, what's the date? Tom, what's the date and what's the location? So where are you getting married? Oh, listen to this, folks. Listen to this. You know Tom's a DJ. Tom's a DJ. He said he's going to DJ his own wedding. Tom said he wants to DJ his own wedding. And I said, Tom, you can't DJ your own wedding. He wanted to stream it onto YouTube. I went, who are you? Kim Kardashian? What's going on? You can't stream your own wedding and you can't be your own DJ. I said that to him. And he went, well, you know me. He wants to DJ it himself. I said, how the hell are you going to do a first dance? How are you going to do Father of the Bride and all this stuff if you're the DJ? Bloody hell, Tom, sort it out. You can't be the DJ at your own wedding. Can everybody tell him? Can everyone tell Tom he can't be a DJ at his own wedding? All right? It makes no bloody sense. Congratulations, Project Freedom. My parents were married for 67 years. Yes, I am doing it and will be streaming in my set on YouTube. I just don't get it. Having gotten married myself, I just love the language that Tom uses. He says, I'm going to DJ my set. I'm going to stream my set on YouTube. Tom, you're going to stream your you mean you're streaming your wedding? You're getting married, Tom. Someone needs to go around Tom's house and give him a little slap around the head. If his fiance gets to hear about this, there's going to be hell up. I'm telling you. If Tasmin gets to hear about Tom saying that I'm going to be the DJ at our wedding, and I'm going to stream my set on YouTube. Not I'm going to take photographs of us at our wedding. I'm going to stream my set onto YouTube. I reckon there will be a divorce before there's a marriage. What does everybody reckon? We have 2 live singers. First, then my DJ set will be later in the evening. You have 2 live singers. Bloody hell. It's got 2 live singers, then you've got a DJ set. What's going on here? Can someone tell him that just leave the singers on? He can't. Wedding night on OnlyFans. He's trying to make some money. He's streaming it. Oh my gosh, I've never heard of anything like it. I don't get it. Where's my invitation, Tom? Where's my invitation? I've had no invitation. All I've had is a Discord post. I want a wedding invitation. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Lucid, slowly rising, 3.5% to go. Let's see if we can get our money back out again. I want to get my money back out of it, to be perfectly honest. I didn't expect it to be taking all day, and it's only going up because the market's going up. It's not that strong, I don't think. I think if it pops, 10%, I think I'll just take my money, really. Because remember, 15% a year is what you make on the S&P. Wedding invite is in the post. All right. Good stuff. I look forward to it then. All right. Amazon. And we're all looking forward to seeing the pictures as well, Tom. As yet, there's no pictures of Tom and Tasmin together. I said, where's all the pictures? He said, they're coming. I said, where are they? How long have you been seeing this this good lady, Tom? How long have you been seeing her? Because I'm assuming that you must have some photographs, because I want to see the pictures. I want to see the pictures and share them on here. All right, McDonald's is coming back up again. We got 9 minutes to go. We've got our world premiere tonight. Here is our world premiere. Where is it? World premiere tonight. Brave people holding the pump for tomorrow morning. All inflation data has been hot recently. Yes, brave people holding this pump for tomorrow. Yes. I'm not buying the pump. I'm already in. I buy when everybody's selling, and I buy the dips. I'm not buying nothing that's pumping up at all. Anyway, there's the world premiere. It starts in 25 minutes. I hope you'll all join me. And what we're going to do is straight after this. This is why tonight's show ends right at 3 o'clock in 9 minutes. Straight after this, I've got 10 short videos, and I would really love your help with it, because I'm trying to get, if you can see here, I'm trying to get 1 million views within 114 days. 1 million views, and by December the 31st, we should be at 10,000 subscribers. So the next 10 videos are really important. They are going to come out after the music premiere, and I hope you will join me for those and be part of all of that. It's a bit of fun. Join me. They'll link back together, and that'll be absolutely awesome if you could watch them through with me. All right. Okay. J&J, going up. Oh, that's a bit better. What a swing. Thank you for all the messages. Yep. Has anybody sent some private messages to Tom? I haven't. I'm just talking in here. Yes, I'm. Wedding invites in the post. Anyway. We're all invited. Is everybody invited, Tom? Can everybody go? Or is it a private? What's going on? We all want to know. Microsoft. I'm excited about it. I want to see the pictures. It's the first wedding I've ever been invited to where I've not seen pictures of the bride and groom together at all. And I want to see it. It's keeping them private. I don't know what's going on there. And next era, flipping X going down again. Next era energy is going back down again. Phase energy is holding up at the moment. Bitcoin down 1.87, a bad day for Bitcoin. We had a crypto purchase this morning. Robinhood going up. SoFi, IonQ. Let's have a little look at our overall position. Let's check the news as well, what we think for tomorrow morning. So we're just about flat. I won this morning. I won yesterday, day trader of the day. And let's see how I do tonight. We're down 68% overall, 43,000 in total. Brickmark. Hello, Brickmark. How are you? Good to have you here. Hi, all. We just congratulated Tom. He's getting married on July the 7th, or as we say in England, the 7th of July, which makes more sense if you think about it. But the Americans won't agree with you. They'll disagree with you on that one. Mercury McKine. Oh, here we go. Now, right, Mohammed, where's he gone? Bam. Oh, Mercury Machine. I thought it was McKine then for a minute. Mercury Machine. What stocks would we be buy? Would we buy during World War III? Oh my gosh, what stocks would we buy? Well, people would say you'd buy defensive stocks, of course. I'm here. Sorry, Mohammed. I thought somebody was coming in called Kahine. It's not. It's Machine. Don't worry, Mohammed. We're all good. I thought somebody was coming in pretending to be you again, but no, we're all good. I wouldn't. My defensive stocks are what we still need. We still need staples. We need J&J. We need S&P 500 because it's across the board. I'm not buying. I tried that before. It doesn't really work. I bought Lockheed. I didn't like it. Didn't really do me much good. I'm carrying on the same way as before. I thought I was lucky to get a few shares of Google cheap last week. I'm now down 2% on it, thinking of bailing out. Oh, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that now. I wouldn't sell Google now, not for me. If you just pan out, look at it. Look at 5 years. Would you really pan out now? You're just down a little bit. Look. It's down from its high of 169. That doesn't mean always worth remembering. This got over inflated. It's worth noting that this was all overinflated. However, the markets do tend to go back eventually. So it's been there, and you've got it here. You're down slightly. I wouldn't sell that. But you're at 21 levels now. I wouldn't sell it. I would just be holding it and buying it when it went lower. That would be my just dollar cost averaging on the way down. I'd give it time. Nothing like that is going to recover until industry starts advertising again. So you've got a long way to go yet. I followed Mohammed and FOMO'd 5 shares of AMV. Perhaps they'll rock it tomorrow. I reckon Mohammed has the Midas touch. I think he does. He makes a lot of money. Gold, guns, and tin food. Oh, God. It doesn't sound very good, does it? Goodbye, George. Nice one, Mohammed Kahine. All good. Getting ready for my Plymouth trip tomorrow. Brickmark, send in pictures on Discord. We want to see pictures. Where's Tom gone? George, we do the worst trading of the day so I can win. CSX go back up after CEO speaks this morning. Michael Anthony. Google can hit 88 area, possibly. I have Google in my VU now. Exactly. Google is in your VU. Exactly. Google can hit that area. Always worth noting that. It's like when I talk about that I'm not really in Tesla. I am. I have the S&P 500, which means I have Tesla. Absolutely. Or any of these things. Anyway, 1 minute to go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. It's time to wrap up the show. We've got world premieres coming up. It's going to be a very quick show today. And earnings later, it'll go up. Mercado Libre, says Max H. Okay. 42 watching, 24 likes. Tomorrow's our cash giveaway. Join us in the morning for the giveaway. Smash the like button. If we get 100 likes, we'll give away a cash prize. There we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. We're going to ring the bell. And by the time we got the bell, let's get 40 likes. You ready? Here we go. The bell's going to go in 1 minute. Let's get 40 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said a chicky, 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 pow, pow. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go into it right now. We've got 39 watching. Let's bring it up to date. We've got 30 seconds to go. 40 watching, look. 40 watching and 25 likes. Let's get to at least 30 likes in 30 seconds. You ready? Let's do it. And then we'll ring the bell. And then we got a world premiere for those in need in Turkey and Syria through the Red Cross. 15 seconds to go. All right, let's ring the bell. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. Bell has now gone. And let's see what we do in the opening hours now and the closing up, the after hours. And don't forget, tomorrow is all about prices, which could well be up. And the markets would react negatively to that as well. So 22's right, saying it's strange that everything is rallied into the close. Anyway, Michael Anthony, I think Job hit the lows of 0.4, which has no debt with 18.5 million of cash, which is a staffing company. Michael Anthony says. All right, thank you very much, Michael Anthony. All right, now then, let's have a look what's moving in the after hours. The S&P up slightly. Virgin Galactic is up in the after hours. That's good. Virgin Orbit is flat in the after hours. Rivian is up slightly in the after hours. Tesla flat in the after hours. Lucid down in the after hours very slightly, 0.06. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, I'd like to buy it, but it's not cheap enough for me. Coca-Cola, and it's a long-term investment as well. J&J down slightly. I'm back for the bell. Tio roll. Right then, we're going to get out of here now. Do day trader of the day. I am up. I won yesterday. I won yesterday afternoon. I won this morning. Can I win 2 complete days in a row? I've never done it before. Up 0.12%. Let's have a look. Let's put a minute on the clock. And are you ready? Here we go. Let's see if I can do it. Up 0.12. Overall portfolio. What do I think of SPTN? I know nothing about that stock at all, so I can't comment, I'm afraid. Somebody else might know, or you could access Discord where somebody would share the information, I'm sure. Up 0.18. Oh, Eric. Eric is getting similar stocks to me, so very defensive, down 2.87, down 2.8, up 0.03. So Eric B beats me by the smallest of margin. Down George Otter T, down 8.8. I was just about to win an all-time record of 2 in a row, but I've just been pipped at the post by Eric B, who's up 0.18. Mike is up 0.22, right on the bell. Congratulations, Mike. You are our winner. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Well done, Mike. Right on the bell, just about as I was about to call it. There you go. Well done, Mike. Excellent stuff. Right, it's time to get out of here. Here's the world premiere. We are back in the morning. We are back in the morning with, of course, cash prize giveaway. We're now going to the world premiere. Join me. At the end of the world premiere, it will go through 10 short videos. I'm trying to get to 1 million views in 114 days. See it? So you could all help me. So we're going to end the show right now. I'll be over there in 12 minutes time for the premiere. This video will take you directly there. And after that video, it'll take you to my premieres. And I have 10 short little videos. Hopefully you'll join me. And today, our star of the show was most certainly our gold member has returned. Our member is Mohammed Kahain. Welcome back. And now we all, of course, know who he is. We had a lot of confusion not knowing who Mohammed was. But hopefully, we've got that fixed now. Brilliant. Excellent. All right, guys. I'll see you back in a minute. I'll be with you in the live premiere on the music channel. And then I'll be with you for all the premieres. There are 10 in a row, back to back, all the way through. Hopefully you'll join me. Some fun and games with those. and then we are here in the morning. Is this the real one this time? Of course it is. Why would they become a gold member? All right, I'll see you back in the morning. I'll see you back on the premiere in a few minutes' time. Until then, I'll see you back in the morning. But I'll be with you for all the premieres, the music one, and then the videos on this channel. Hopefully you'll join me. Want to get 1 million views by our second birthday. All right. Okay. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.